Hey, it's Emma here from Tried and Tested, and I would love to share with you this foam catapult launcher. It comes in a pack of 4, and you simply pull it back and you press this and releases it and it flies in the air. It's really cool. Actually, it comes in a pack of 4, which is really great because we have shot 2 a little bit too far and not got them back, which is going to happen. But yeah, you just put it on there, press it, and it launches, and it actually works, because some of these you buy and they don't work, or they're one-hit wonders, but we've been using this for ages and it's really, really fun. Actually, you can take it to the park, pop it in your bag. Yeah, loads of fun, so highly recommend.